Hi, my name is Heather Feldman, and I'm here to talk about my public service announcement for my soft drink, Cranny Smith Apple. A person in my target market is interested in running a 5K to help fight childhood obesity and thinks exercise is very important and believes that parents need to set a good example for their kids in order to fight childhood obesity. So I chose to do my PSA about helping fight childhood obesity. My target market are women in their 20s and 30s that are married and are eventually, if they haven't already, began to start their family. They're kind of in that kid zone process. So they're concerned about their children or future children's welfare. So I thought we could partner with an organization that would help show that we're a family-oriented company with solid community values. So my target market city is Chicago, so I chose the organization Chicago Run. It was founded in 2008 to fight childhood obesity, improve the physical fitness and social and emotional well-being of Chicago children and youth. They work in schools, engage students, teachers, elementary day programs, fun runs, etc. So a lot of awesome programs. So Cranny Smith Apple is going to donate 50% of its proceeds in the months of April and May to support Chicago Run and its efforts, and we will also become the non-alcoholic beverage sponsor of the Little Steps Big Stars Gala, which is their huge fundraising event. That's an annual event. So in terms of our actual PSA, here it is. Right at the top, in big letters, says childhood obesity is an epidemic. And then over here it says nearly 1 in 5 school-age children 6 to 19 years old in the United States are obese. Children with obesity are at a higher risk of having other chronic health conditions such as asthma, sleep apnea, bone and joint problems, type 2 diabetes, risk factors for heart disease. And we have a picture of a kid with chubbier kid with a piece of cake. It's a little hard to see. Then underneath it says, the news isn't all bad though. Moms, there are a number of ways you can help your kids lead healthy and active lives. So then over here, we give some practical tips, like encourage your kids to play outside for 60 minutes each day, watch portion sizes, limit eating out to once a week, make sure your family's drinking water, etc. And then down here it says, Cranny Smith Apple is teaming up with Chicago Run, a nonprofit organization that seeks to improve the physical fitness and social well-being of Chicago children and youth. Cranny Smith Apple will donate 50% of its proceeds in the months of April and May to Chicago Run. Let's fight childhood obesity. Maybe a picture of kids running. Chicago Run's logo is the primary logo featured. Ours, very tiny, just so you at least know who we are, but primarily we're focused about Chicago Run. Used red to point out the different symptoms and, chronic health problems to get your attention and the appalling stats. Use green over here for the practical tips to simulate kind of outdoors, environment. And so I think this PSA will be really effective in hopefully targeting childhood obesity.